Let me inside where the stars, they won't find everything. Cramped in a space, it's my kind of race. Though you're feeling me chase you down. Put on a nicer change of clothes. I'm casual inside, but no one knows I fall into this craving. And these wonderfully dull days, they all feel so far away. And I've stretched my skin to the nail, but no way out from the inside of trains wreck. All we remember, you hope it's just where we left it, through your window pane. All of my definite choices all seem to slap me. Feels good at first, you fit nicely without one reality, real thing. Put on some better tunes, you know I listen in to hear the best of you. Cry more, no, I'll save you. And these wonderfully dull days, they all feel so far away. And I've stretched my skin to the nail, but no way out from the inside of trains wreck. All we remember, you hope it's just where we left it through your window pane. Now the hurt just feels fine. Then comes your favorite red wine. Now you're turning the pages over and over again. No way out from the inside of trains wreck. All we remember, you hope
Take me all the way, you got me right here, combustible. And I can't wait to finally explode. The big, big bang, the reason I'm alive. When all the stars collide in this universe inside. The big, big bang. The big, big bang. The big, big bang. Some people like to talk, but I'm into doing what I feel like doing when I'm inspired. So if we take a walk down the beach tonight, I bet that we could light up the sky. The big, big bang, the reason I'm alive. When all the stars collide in this universe inside. The big, big bang. The big, big bang. The big, big bang. Give me the breeze. Take it from me, I don't wanna be mummified. Sometimes I feel so isolated, I wanna die. And I'll take it from you if you got it every time. So baby, bring your body here, next to mine, next to mine. When I don't wanna dream, I just wanna live it. So baby, let's not miss this thing. The big, big bang, the reason I'm alive. When all the stars collide in this universe inside. The big, big bang. The big, big bang. The big, big bang. Hit the big, big, big bang. Whoa, babe. Whoa, babe. Whoa, babe.
Hello everyone, so that was the fireworks show, and it did not turn out the way I wanted it to go at all. I had to constantly deal with vehicles, and the view was not very great, and in that case I do apologize. I try to clean the best I can in editing, and I do also apologize that this video is a day late. When I got home last night, it was about 1 o'clock in the morning, and I was just absolutely exhausted. I do plan on doing a few videos as planned today. Thanks guys, like for more.